guys, welcome back to my channel. First of all, please excuse me because I was supposed to be back from a long time ago and I haven't been back. Right now, I know y'all see me. I'm looking a little gray, but it's because I had put setting powder on my face before I start putting on my makeup. And I'm really just gonna get right into it. I started doing my eyebrows already off camera, but this is enough of me blabbering. So what I did prior was I put some setting powder on my face because I have really oily skin, so I like to set my face before I put my makeup on. I used Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the color Ebony to fill in my brows, and I'm currently concealing with LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Chestnut for the top, and I either use the color Toffee or Fawn for the bottom because I like my eyebrows to be highlighted. You feel me? I hope you do. Listen, y'all, these makeup videos ain't no joke, but I'm trying to put y'all on. But now I'm going ahead and I'm using the same concealer that I used to highlight under my brows to conceal my eyes because I will be putting on eyeshadow today. Most of my ladies always be telling me they don't know how to do shadow, they don't know what to do. Listen, we gonna learn together because I'm learning too. So I'm concealing my eyelids to allow the colors that I'm gonna use to be more pigmented. Yeah, to be more pigmented. Like I feel, oh, I just had a brain fart, y'all. I forgot what I was about to say, but I'm just going ahead and I'm blending that in on the lid so it can be nice and smooth. Nice and smooth. Yeah. Damn, them brows look good. So I'm gonna be using this palette from Juvia's Place. Y'all, I'm gonna put all the information in the box because I don't ever remember what these names are called, but this is like a peachish burgundy-ish kind of color, and I'm gonna be using it in the crease of my eyelid, and I'm gonna be using this dark brown color just for the corner, and also gonna put some in the crease as well. I know this is moving quickly, but if you follow these exact steps, I promise you it's gonna come out nice. Like I used to be mad worried like, oh my god, it's gonna look so bad, but it does not. All right, so I'm gonna go back in with the concealer and I'm going to be creating the cut crease kind of look. It does not have to be perfect because I'm not doing glitter. I didn't want it to be a very blunt cut crease, but the purpose was to allow the color that I'm going to be using, which is kind of like a shimmery color, to be very prominent in the look. So I wanted to make sure I went over that section with more concealer before I added the tone that I'm using for this area. Y'all see me struggling though? I be like looking mad hard like, oh, my eyeball, I'm poking it out. So I'm going to use this one in the middle. I told y'all I'm going to put all the names in the description box because I don't be remembering. I suck. But you see how pigmented that looks as I'm putting it on top of the concealer? Ooh, girl, who did I think I was? I don't know about you, but I thought I was some fire. Period. And that's on period. I'm going back in to blend out the top because some of the concealer did get on the top, so I'm gonna just go and just blend it in with the first color that I used, the peaches burgundy kind of color. And I went ahead and did the other eye off camera. I didn't feel there was a need to do both on camera. It's literally the same exact process just for the other eye. I know y'all probably like, damn, this girl done did everything off camera. I also did my liner off camera. I just can't record it. It just don't work for me, y'all. But I'm keeping it a stack. I'm being honest. Here I am putting on some lashes. These you can find in my eyelash tutorial that I had posted a couple of weeks ago. I believe these are number 47A, which originally I wasn't even feeling them, and now like I really love them. They're actually one of my favorites. So what I'm doing is I'm just pressing down the lash to my eyelashes to ensure that it is secure. Don't want them lashes flying off in the wind, do you? I don't think so. So now I'm going to be going in with Fenty foundation in the number 4040. This has a very cool undertone, but 4050, why did I say 4040? 440. This has a very cool undertone, but 450 has a very warm undertone, which does not work with my skin. So I definitely preferred this color. I feel like on camera it comes off a little orange, but when you go ahead and conceal and contour, it does not look like that orangish hue that you might see right now. But you guys are going to see as I continue throughout the video the difference between how it looks right now at this moment and after I highlight and contour, how it looks on my skin. So don't be coming in the section talking about this color is too light for you, blah blah blah. No, it ain't, because the other color too dark. It's too damn dark. All right, so this is where I'm gonna go ahead and highlight under my eyes. This is the color Toffee that I'm using right here, an LA Girl Pro Concealer. Just gonna put it under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, and in the middle of my forehead. Y'all already know the deal. I know y'all been watching y'all makeup videos. If you don't know the deal by now, I ain't gonna say what I was gonna say. So I'm using my beauty blender. Well, I showed y'all my beauty blender that I'm gonna be using. And apparently I concealed over my mouth and my chin as well, which I do because I feel like those areas are like basically the center of the face. This is the color Espresso in the NYX foundation. So after this video, I actually realized that I do like a darker contour, and I went ahead and I bought a new contour color, which will be featured in one of my next upcoming videos. So don't worry about that. I'm definitely going to put you guys on to the new contour color that I used. So here I am going ahead and I'm blending in that highlight, getting under them eyes highlighted, over the nose. I'm saying over the nose, over the mouth. Over the mouth. In the center of my forehead. Under my eye again. All them thing. You feel me? Blending is honestly one of my favorite parts of doing makeup, because I feel like you just really see the difference that it has once you blend it in. So I'm going to go ahead and use a smaller brush to blend in the contour on the bridge of my nose. And I'm using a flat brush to blend in the highlight on the bridge of my nose. I felt like it wasn't blended well, so I just went in with a flat, I believe that was a flat eyebrow brush, but I have a whole bunch of them, so you sometimes use them for different purposes. So I know y'all might be looking at this like, where is the end of this brush? It broke, y'all. It really broke, but the brush do the same damn thing, so don't be judging me. We all going through our processes, okay? Okay. But I'm gonna be using this brush to go ahead and blend in my contour. Yes, I know y'all see that, but I don't know if you guys noticed what I was referring to earlier when I said I wish that I had a darker contour. So I'm going ahead with my Sasha Buttercup setting powder to set under my eyes and the bridge of my nose. I'm also going to set the center of my forehead as well. I usually do 2 layers of the setting powder. Is there a particular reason as to why I do 2 layers? Not really. I think the first layer usually seeps into the skin more, and the second layer really sets it, like make sure that your face is beat. Like, I know y'all see me posing. Ow, you look good, sis. You look good. You look good. All right, so moving on. I'm wiping off all the excess powder from my face. and I am loving this look already. I did go and add some of the transition color to the bottom of my eyes, and I'm just lining with a basic lip liner that I got from the dollar store. It's a nice brown color. Putting on some lip gloss because I'm so glossy. My lip gloss is popping. My lip gloss is cool. I'm highlighting. This is a very old highlight. It's a rose gold sort of color, and it comes off very light. I don't go heavy on this because I think it makes me look crazy. Go very light on the highlighter, y'all. But I'm also going to highlight underneath my eyebrow to give it some extra shimmer and shine. Yes. Ooh, ooh, the bridge of my nose. Ooh, ooh, kissy faces. And I'm using my MAC Prep and Prime Setting Spray to set my face. I went over my face a second time because I felt like I missed the first time. And now you can see some of those little dots. I was a little too close. But I'm going to just use my foundation brush to pat it in. Thank you guys for watching this makeup tutorial. I hope it didn't seem too rushed or anything. Here's me smiling and posing, being cute after the finished look. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share. Love you all. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.